They say the friends you make at university are the friends you have for life, and you'll never be short of opportunities to meet them here. Living in halls makes it easy because even if you don't have much in common, you're all in the same boat. And having nothing in common doesn't have to be a bad thing. Halls are a great opportunity to meet people with different interests to you who you might not have met otherwise.
I found that the best way to make friends at university was to just talk to other students in my classes. So I would ask questions about the modules that other students were studying. I'd ask about like their personal interests, their hobbies and their plans for after university.
I also joined quite a few societies such as the Geography Society and the Surf Society, which then meant I could meet a whole other group of friends, and then I met other people through them, and then you kind of realise soon enough at uni that everyone's sort of interlinked and everyone ends up knowing each other by the end of your third year or fourth year, for example.